Welcome the our channel. Today we how to increase marketing reach with Redbubble detailed guide step by step clearly. To increase your marketing reach with Redbubble, start by creating a compelling and unique portfolio. Focus on designing high quality, original artwork that reflects current trends and interests. Research popular themes and niches to ensure your designs resonate with potential buyers. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your artwork and drive traffic to your Redbubble store. Engage with your audience by sharing behind-the-scenes content and the stories behind your creations. Utilize relevant hashtags when posting on social media to expand your visibility. Consider joining Redbubble groups or forums to network with other artists and share marketing tips. Collaborate with influencers or bloggers who align with your brand to reach their audiences. Optimize your Redbubble listings with SEO-friendly titles and descriptions to improve search visibility. Incorporate keywords that potential buyers might use when looking for products. Regularly update your store with new designs to keep your portfolio fresh and engaging. Promote seasonal or holiday-themed designs to attract buyers during peak shopping periods. Consider running promotions or discounts to entice new customers to make purchases. Leverage email marketing by collecting addresses and reaching out with updates on new designs or sales. Utilize paid advertising options on social media to target specific demographics interested in your artwork. Track your marketing efforts to see which strategies yield the best results. Analyze your sales data to identify which designs are most popular and focus on creating similar works. Continue to educate yourself about marketing trends and techniques to keep your approach effective. Overall, patience and persistence are key to successfully increasing your marketing reach on Redbubble. With time and effort, your hard work can lead to a thriving online presence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.